Okay. So instead of directly dump into subject, okay. So we'll discuss each other, interact with each other about, so instead of subject, outside terminology. I mean, we should know. Okay. So I don't want to go for directly subject. Okay. Yeah. What do you mean by software? So first, I will tell your answers. Instead of, you can tell something else. Okay. So software is nothing but set of programs which are used to perform particular task or any operation. Okay. Instead of this answer, try something new. What do you mean by software? I guess question for all.
Guys, don't be silent, yeah.
Try to interact with me. Don't be silent. Okay.
Set of instructions.
That's what I'm telling. So set of programs. So program is nothing but a set of instructions. So instead of set of programs are used to perform particular task or any operation like this, like normal answers. So tell me, like, what do you understand by software? I mean, which you are going to see outside or with respect to, I mean, you faced already so many softwares. Elaborate once. Instead of definitions, guys, instead of definitions, in the real time, like, which you observed, which you face, just like that.
Like real-time things are converting into programs and will execute in our day-to-day life.
Yeah. Yeah, coming into subject. Yes, coming. Good,
Kalyan?
good. Yes, great.
Kalyan, sir,
Yeah.
can I answer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple, yeah.
Sure, sir.
For example, in general, everyone will be attending classroom training, right? So now in the lockdown time, we are all connected through Microsoft Teams and we are able to communicate with each other. It's a software, right? The live example, what we are currently in now and speaking to each other.
Yeah, man.
Guys, think about some
See, you have to go for anywhere. You have to go for somewhere, something new, something great. See, which are going to interact. I mean, we are interacting with each other. It's a single platform, right? Microsoft Teams, Zoom, right? Like this, so many softwares. Just like that. Can you elaborate?
Anyone give a try?
Yes, I mean, it doesn't mean what you're going to say, what you're going to deliver, it should be perfect. No one is perfect, guys, regarding my knowledge. Everyone learner only. No one knows everything, no one knows nothing. Am I correct, sir?
Yeah.
Guys, try to interact, guys.
Sir, ATM is in software.
Good. Next. Okay. Can I take the chance, guys?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Right. let us consider. Guys, mute guys. When you're going to say the answer, okay, you can unmute. While you are listening, mute guys, okay? Thank you. Let us see guys, just for example, okay? So me and my friend are there, okay? Right now one context like I need some money guys, okay? Let's say, so I need 10,000 guys, okay? As medical emergency, so I need 10,000. That's why, so I have done a call to my friend. I done a call to my friend. Arey yaar, I need 10,000 rupees. As medical emergency, I will give it on my next month's salary. Okay guys? Listening everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Normally, let us consider we don't have all these things right now. Okay. Let us consider we don't have right now all these things. What my friend will do? Okay. My friend will approach any bank like SBI, like any bank here. Okay, ICICI, Axis Bank, whatever it may be. Okay. So in his hometown, one of the bank will be there, right? Yes or not? He will go for bank. Okay. So he will deposit some of the, 10,000 amount into my account. Am I correct? You need to fill up a form, right? Do you remember, guys? You need to fill up one form, deposit form. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So he used to fill up one application form. Okay, one form. Okay. So what my account number, so and so date. So what he is going to like depositing. So how many hundreds, 500s, right? Everything he is going to fill up in the details. Okay. And then he is going to give that form to like banking employee. Okay. Then bank employee he is going to observe. He is going to type him in using that. Then he will transfer that amount to my account. Yes or not? Let us consider.
Yes, sir.
Okay, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Actually, my friend used to go for bank, right? On Sunday, any bank will be there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then how he has to help me by sending money to my account?
Internet
without
banking.
Internet banking. Okay, internet banking. How it is going to working, guys? Internet banking.
The
The name
software.
itself is there. The name itself is there. What?
Through internet, sir.
Yeah, yes. Through internet, right? Software. Okay. Let us consider. Okay. If you're taking risk, okay, by entering his account number, IFSC code, all these things. Okay. Can't I use Phone Pay, guys? Can't I use Google Pay? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So how my friend is able to send money to me by using Phone Pay or Google Pay internet banking? Is not a software, guys.
Yes, sir.
So instead of approaching bank and fill up a form and give it to that banking employee, he is going to, enter the details into the software. He is going to like credit or debit, okay, into X and Y person, okay. Instead of going again returning, that all this manual work, okay, you are going to do within less amount of time, okay, wherever you sit and you want. Yes or not, guys? Is there a restriction? Sunday
Yes,
is
sir.
not working. Is there any restrictions? It is out of 6:30. Bank already
No, sir.
closed. Okay. Is there any restrictions for you right now?
No.
It is not a flexibility of software, guys. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Flexible.
Yes, sir. It is very
Yes.
flexible.
Like that, if you are going to give any example, so regarding interview, you will be highlighted, no? That's what everyone will expect, guys. Okay. See, software nothing but set of programs which are used to perform any application or task. Everyone will tell you. But if I going to say something new, as everyone knows, okay, you will be your answer will be highlighted. Yes or not? And you
Yes,
will be
sir.
unique, right? In entire,
Yes, sir.
like whoever students came for the interview. Am I correct? Yeah. So try to habituate unique answers, guys. Try to habituate to give the answers in like any realistic way, in understandable way, instead of always definitions, theoretical part. Okay. Try to elaborate your answer. Got it, guys?
Okay, sir.
Yes, getting everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say software is nothing but is a process of implementing our manual work, okay, into simple and flexible way. Yes or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Right. So how many types of software, guys?
System software, application software.
Okay, let's say go for it. So system software. Next,
Application software.
application software. Oh, right. So what is the use of system software? What do you mean by system software?
System software is nothing which is used to run the system. That is example operating system.
Yeah. Yes. So let's say, for example, you are going to interacting with your system, guys, or laptop, or computer. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So how
Yes, sir.
you are going
Sir.
to interact with your laptop or machine? Through what?
With the help of OS.
OS. Operating system, right?
Yes, sir.
So OS also a software. Okay. So instead of OS, is there any examples for system software? OS also perfect. Yes. Instead of OS.
Windows Media Player.
Windows Media Player. That is actually so application software here. We'll discuss again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First system software.
Bootstrap program, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap program. In the sense like an example.
Kernel, sir.
Kernel. Yeah. Okay. Next.
Linux.
Okay. Next.
Cloud.
Yeah. Simply for example, C software is there, right? C language. Yes or not, guys? C language. Everyone knows, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Take any software. Maybe C, C++, Java, Python, everything. Okay. So once after writing source code, you need to compile the program, right? Yes or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you want to compile the programs, what we need? Language
Compilers.
compilers, right? Compilers, yes or not? Without
Yes.
compiler, is it possible to compile any source code, guys?
No.
No. Language compilers. Perfect. Next. After compilation, what you need to do? You need to execute, right?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
What we need? Language
Interpreter.
interpreter. Yes or not? So interpreter, nothing but to execute the program. Yes or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, you purchase new laptop here. Okay. So they need to adjustable. I mean, Wi-Fi is going to working or not? Yes or not? So any software is need to be work in your laptop or machine means they need what? They need to install drivers, right? Driver softwares, Wi-Fi drivers. Yes or not, guys? Internet
sir.
drivers. Yes. So all these are nothing but what? System software. Yes or not? The name itself is the system software. Okay. So what are the things? I mean, where the system need to be work? Okay, where the system is going to be depends. Okay, everything is going to be developed by using system software. Correct? What the system need to do? Okay, all the things are going to be developed by using system software. It may be language compilers. Okay, whatever you said. Okay, perfect. Right. Now, what do you mean by application software?
It
So if you think
interacts.
about
It interacts
right
with user.
application. Yeah, if you think about application. So how many types of applications will be there normally? How many types of applications will be there?
2 types.
2 types. What they are? Good.
Standalone application
What is
and
first one? No. Yeah. What's your first one?
standalone software
Okay. Yes.
application and web-based software application.
Yeah. Standalone. We can also say desktop, right? Perfect. Okay. Let me come down. Standalone. So one is, can I say like distributed? We can also say web. We can also say enterprise. We can also say yes or not? All the things having same. Okay. But based on requirement, we are going to change the terminology. Am I correct, guys?
So,
Yeah. So we have 2 types of applications: standalone or a desktop, distributed. or web or enterprise or business, whatever it may be, right? So what is the standalone or desktop applications? What do you mean by that?
Standalone application can be executed in only single machine where it is installed.
Okay, right. Yes. So standalone or desktop applications means, okay. So what are the applications which are running in only local machine? Okay. That too, that applications are not sufficient. Okay, not enough to transfer the data or to be run with respect to either browser or server. Yes or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
So if you think about VLC media player, yes or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Max media player, yes.
Calculator.
So local calculator, yes. Yes or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Everything. So I mean, like standalone, right? Or desktop applications.
Yes, sir.
MS Office, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Word, PowerPoint, Excel, all the nothing but
Notepad.
standalone, right? Standalone. They are not going to be run with either with respect to browser or server. I mean, they can't access with internet world. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Right. What do you mean by distributed? You can say it easily, right?
Gmail.
Yes. Any. So what are the applications which are going to be run with both the combination of browser and server? So what it may be, like real-time word. Okay. Any web applications like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you are going to use, internet banking. Yes. Your phone internet, like applications. Okay. All e-commerce techniques. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever it may be, all nothing but distributed applications. Right? Right. Okay. Let's see. Right. So how you are going to interact with your Gmail, guys? Can anyone say? So how? I mean, like
Login.
everything. I mean, everyone. You are going to use Gmail, I think so, right? Every day you are going to checking your mails. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. How you are going to like interacting with your Gmail, guys? Yeah.
Interact between system and
Whatever
user.
you know. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Tell me one by one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Tell you.
Interaction
How?
between system and user.
No, not audible here clearly. Can you say it again if you don't mind?
Interaction between system and user.
Internet.
Interaction.
Okay, interaction. Okay, interaction
between system and user.
between system and user. Okay, next. I mean, like I'm expecting. So how you are going to like requesting Gmail here? How you are requesting Gmail?
By sending request to the server and it gives the response.
By sending request. Okay, how you are going to sending request? Coming into the root. Yes,
By,
perfect. How you are sending the request? Yes.
by accessing its IP address.
Interesting. IP address, huh?
By typing the URL.
IP address. Are you sure?
Or using internet.
By typing URL.
Yeah. Ah.
By
Perfect.
logging into the
URL. Is that not?
Yes, sir.
That's a fundamental, right? See, once after
Yes, sir.
opening, I mean, any browser, like it may be Google, Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, right? Internet Explorer, whatever it may be. First, you are going to type, guys. What are you going to type? Are you not going to type like
URL.
exactly how it is going to happen internally? Is or not?
Yes, sir.
http://www.gmail.com. Am I correct? Yes. This is what, guys? URL only, right? Yes or not, guys? URL.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
URL
sir.
means what?
resource locator.
Uniform resource locator, right?
Yes, sir.
Uniform resource locator. Okay. So what URL internally contains?
A unique queue identification number, sir.
Unique identification numbers. So actually, it's a combination of both URI and URN, right? Do you know UR and URN, guys? Uniform resource identifier, uniform resource name. Yes, do you know? Anyone having
Yes, sir.
idea upon this?
Don't know,
Yeah,
sir.
URI and URN. It's a combination. Okay. Combining these two in the sense URL. Okay. Oh, right. So how your entire internet world is working, guys? Through what?
Yeah.
Okay, URL. Okay. Beyond URL. Yeah. How the entire like internet world is working. Servers. Okay. How your server is going to work? You need to request your server, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to request the server. Okay. How you are going to request in the server?
By typing
Via
URL.
Instead of
CDN.
Request.
URL.
Instead of
Okay, you are
URL.
sending your URL, right? You are
Yes,
sending
sir.
URL through what? You are sending URL through what? Through
Content
what?
delivery network.
HTTP protocol.
Content delivery. Content delivery. Still slowly coming to
Search
this.
engine.
Need not to
Search
worry.
engines.
We'll get the answer. Yeah. Next.
Search engines, sir.
Search engine. That's okay. Next. Like we have so many search engines like Google, Bing, right? So many things are the search engines. You can leave apart from it. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Protocol. Without protocol, internet is going to work, huh?
Mm,
No, right? Protocol plays a key role, right? In your language, protocol nothing but set of instructions to transferring the data. Yes or not? From client to server, server to client. Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which protocol plays a key role?
HTTP.
HTTP.
Yes. HTTP. Yeah. HTTP abbreviate what?
Hypertext Transport Protocol.
Yeah. Hypertext transfer protocol. Right. Okay. So which protocol using by Gmail? You are requesting Gmail through HTTP. But how Gmail is going to work internally through which protocol?
TCP/IP.
TCP/IP. Yes. TCP/IP. And TCP/IP and SMTP. You know SMTP, guys? I think you're good at abbreviations. Yes or not? SMTP means what, guys?
Simple mail transfer protocol.
Yes. Correct. So, like these two combinations, email has
Mail transfer.
implemented TCP/IP and SMTP. Okay. Right. And one more. Just getting bored?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So starting itself, I don't want to give burden for you here. Java, OOPS, class, object.
Okay, sir.
Just for a change. If you get bored means let me know, okay? I will take my turn to subject. So let us consider client. Can you say this one, guys? What is first one? Request. Oh. This one?
Response.
Right. Okay. So we have two things. One is client, one is server. Okay, client is going to send a request. So server will accept the request He's going to validate the request. He's going to read the data which is sending by the client. So is there any necessary action or operations means it will perform and then give it response back to client. This is the process going on, right? Client to server. Okay. So if client want to make interact or interacting with server, communicate with server, what do you need? How the client is going to make a request to the server? What do you need basically?
Using protocol.
Protocol, okay, yeah. Protocol one of the way. But protocol also need to be work means we need something.
Internet.
That protocol also, internet, okay. Internet. Except that, let us consider in your college days here. In your college, you are going to send, you and your friends are going to be chit chat with each other. Okay. Internet is there, huh? Internet application, internet is there?
No, sir.
No, right? Yeah. See, so internet now, okay. Now no need. Yeah. Think about this now. Client to server interaction, how it is going to be happen. If protocol also need to be work means we need one more. What is that? You know, but it is not coming out. Think you will get idea.
Network.
Media.
Google.
Yeah.
Media.
No.
First it request to Google.
See, it's not a distributed application here. Let us consider, think about it's a standalone application, guys. Standalone. Standalone means what? It never, it need not to be work with server, internet, right?
Only works in the local mission.
Local mission. I need only local. I want only desktop application. I don't want internet right now. Okay. Let us consider. I want only desktop applications. I don't want any distributed applications, web applications. Okay. Server. I don't want server. Even I don't want browser also. Then how this client and server are going to be interact with each other? Got my context? Everyone. Yes, got my question at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my work done. Think about.
Navigation.
Navigation, okay. Beyond, except that. Still. Still what you want. Can I take the chance?
Yes, sir.
Network. Yes or not? Without network, how client and server are going to interact with each other? Right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Network.
Yes, sir.
Network plays a key role, guys. Okay. You have subject is there, right? CN, huh? Computer networking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So, with respect to network, by using network, how you are going to client? How you are going to send the data from client to server? No, network got it. Okay. Through network, by using what you are going to be, you can be able to send the data from client to server, a server to client. Think about it. So, can I use IP address?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Can I use DNS? And can I use port number? Yes or not, guys? So we can also use DSN also, guys. Okay. So in terms of, with respect to network, you can able to interact between client and server through what, guys? IP address, DNS, port number, or DSN. Getting everyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
What is DNS
Yes.
and DSN, sir?
Yes, I will explain here. Okay, don't worry about explanation. I will give it. Okay, right. IP address you know already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean now, so what is the default IP address for each and every system, guys? What is the default IP address for each and every system? Guys, what is the default IP address?
Guys, any CSC people here? If not
So
CSC,
Yeah,
one
CSC
one
IP means
192.168.1 something.
192 dot
168
168. Okay.
.1 and .1.
Sure. Or simply throwing stone.
100.0.0.8080.
Telling something. 100.
100.0.0.8080.
100.0.8080, no? Okay, 0.8080. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next. Is there any something? IP addresses? Default IP address. I don't want your system or laptop or in your college what you are going to IP address. Not, I don't want that. The default IP address, by default IP address for each and every local machine. Can I take the chance? That is what, guys. 127.0.0.1. That's a default IP address for each and every system. Okay. So once after getting it, okay, if you not any security reasons, you are going to change that. But by default, it will be 127.0.0.1 only, guys. Okay. Yes, getting? Getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we think about DNS here. Actually, DNS means, so, do you know abbreviation? I think so. You are good at abbreviations. Am I correct? Yeah, DNS means what?
Domain name server.
Domain
Perfect,
name
yeah.
system, sir.
Domain name system. Huh? Domain name system, wrong, guys. Domain name server, perfect. Guys, how it is possible to maintain that much of proficiency in abbreviations here? Guys, how it is possible that much of proficiency in abbreviations?
This will be asked for one more question, no, sir.
Yeah. So if I'm going to expect something new, I mean more than abbreviations, so Canadian silence prayer, right? Right. Okay. Yeah. Domain names are perfect, guys. Now, what's the default DNS for each and every system, guys? What is the default DNS for each and every system? Whatever you know, I mean, whatever you are having idea, just give it out. It doesn't mean your answer should be perfect. As I told you already, try to be interact, guys. Don't be. I mean, instead of sitting calm, try to be interact. So that I will get much more interest than existing. If you are going to say perfect answer, I mean, so I will learn somewhat of more new things than what I know. I am ready to deliver. So overall, what I'm able to tell, my subject delivery entire depends upon your performance. I mean performance. Right, guys? Getting an everyone.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes,
Yes, sir.
That's what I need. Need to interact, guys. My class will be always interaction, guys. My class never be one way. I won't like that. I need always interaction about subject. Yeah. Default DNS. Can anyone? Or chance for me only? Chance for me?
Yes, sir.
Localhost. Do you know? Localhost, guys. Localhost. So if any IT people, I mean, anyone familiar with Tomcat server, guys?
Yes,
Is
sir.
anyone
Apache
familiar with
Tomcat.
Tomcat server? Ah. So if you want to develop any servlet or JSP based applications by using Tomcat server, you are going to make a request like this, no? HTTP : okay, / so localhost : yes, port number by default 8080 will be there, and then / you are going to type URL pattern or URL mapping. Do you remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
If any,
Yes, sir.
I mean, non-IT people, guys, means don't worry, guys. Okay, well, perfect knowledge on Tomcat server, web application, servlet, JSP, nothing. I will make you to get. But as the introduction class, just I want to know. I mean, up to how far you guys are. Okay, non-IT people,
Okay,
don't
sir.
worry. Yes, yes,
Okay, sir.
yes. I am ready to deliver my 100%. Okay,
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 sir.
sir.
and
Okay,
expecting the
sir.
same with you. From you. Okay. Yes, if you observe this, see, local host. Yes or not? It's a default DNS, guys. As you know already, Tomcat server is a local server, right? In your system only it will work. Okay, it's not application server, guys. So servers are of two types, right? Guys, do you know? Servers are of two types. What they are? Web server, application server. Okay. So your outside internet applications are going to be work on application servers, not web server. Web server means you are going to developing your own applications which is going to work with only your local machine means web server. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are hosting your application, right? You are hosting your application. So GitHub, yes or not? Or Bitbucket, or
Yes, sir.
AWS, yes or not? Hosting your applications, right? It's an application server, guys. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So here 8080 is there, right? It's a port number, guys. It's a port number. It's a by default port number. Okay, for Apache Tomcat server, and Oracle database is there, right? Oracle. Yeah, Oracle
Yes,
port
sir.
number by default also 8080, guys. That's okay. So when you are installing, okay, Tomcat server, as Oracle also is there, means you must need to change the port number, guys. Okay, instead of 8080, you need to maintain some other port number. Okay, why? Because port number crash will happen, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. You will get to see all these things, guys. Okay, don't worry. Right?
There will be any particular range for port number?
Yeah.
ఒక రేంజ్ ఉంటుందా సార్, లేకపోతే మన ఇష్టం వచ్చిన నంబర్ ఏదో ఒకటి పెట్టుకోవచ్చా సార్ పోర్ట్ నెంబర్?
Maximum port numbers will be 4 digits. Maximum port numbers will be 4 digits. Okay. You should not extend more than 4. Okay, especially with respect to Tomcat servers. Okay. Database servers like that. Okay. We'll see. I mean, how you are going to change the port numbers. How you are going to keep your own user defined, custom defined port numbers. Okay. In Code Java itself, I mean, network programming is there. If it's CSR IT, you guys, I think so, right? Network programming is socket, server socket. Is there any CSR IT, guys? Is there any CSR IT?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hands once. Raise your hands once.
So what you said is not audible to me.
Not audible, guys?
Like previous statement,
Anybody
what you
listen
said
to
is
voice?
not audible.
Previous statement.
Yeah, it's
Nothing. So we have network programming, guys. Network programming. In Code Java only we have network programming. We have OOPS concept, no? Subject. Then
Yes, sir.
network programming will be there. There we have socket, server socket. Socket means client side programs. Server socket means server side programs. That socket and server socket are going to be interact with each other through these things only, guys. These things only, like IP address, okay, and DNS, port numbers, like that. Okay, we'll discuss all these things, guys.
Sir, will you discuss again this topic deep, or else up to the?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will go much more deep.
Like I came from non-IT background. Now all these are looking like for my Tamil movie without subtitles.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling, guys. Okay, so non-IT people are there. Don't worry. So definitely. So I'm sure about non-IT people will become much more brighter than IT people.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know? I mean, like whoever entered CV Cup. So once we cross-check with CV sir also. So non-IT guys are becoming much more brighter by doing hard work. Okay, they are getting much more opportunities than IT people. Am I right, sir, CV sir?
Guys, simple logic here. When you go to any cricket training, if someone listens to the coach, everything, the guy will become very fast. Whoever starts feeling like I know all these things, why to again listen? Those people will remain the same percentage only, because what you studied in the college is something what the university wanted for the examination marks. What we're going to teach you is something what the industry needs. So all the CSE people who knows all the topics, don't get into relaxed mode. Try to do more deep research on all these things, whatever you discuss in the class. That will definitely help you. And as Kalyan sir said, we have many non-CSE people who even help the CSC guys in the lab practice. I have seen that in every batch. Don't worry, guys.
Yes, yes. Especially mech and civil, guys. Yes. Right. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, Nanadi people still worrying now?
No, sir. You
No,
gave
sir.
it.
No, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Regarding subject, I will. It's my responsibility here. It's my responsibility. It's my burden. It's my pain. But getting the subject, grabbing the subject, and preparation, and need to get the opportunity. Whose headache? Whose burden? Whose responsibility?
It's our headache.
Yours. Yes. That's the only thing. Yeah. Good. Right. Okay. Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Getting bored?
Interesting. Sir.
Good, good. Right.
Kalyan,
Yes, sir.
many people join the session just to understand the overview of what all we teach in the complete training program.
Oh, acha, okay.
Because many people have not even confirmed that they will be continuing the training thing. So maybe we
Okay,
can
okay.
the class directly. Maybe once we finalize the
Okay.
batch, then
Okay,
we
okay.
have our own time to spend time with the students to give them the overview completely.
Sure, sure, sure. Right. Simply, so I will give the idea. So what we are going to discuss. Right. So regarding like so technical parts, okay. So as you know already, separate programming, okay. Well, with respect to exclusive, so Java, so we are going to cover like four, like so advanced technologies like JDBC, servlets, so JSP, we think high frameworks guys, okay. So Spring, so database, okay. Different type of servers knowledge. Mainly, so real-time project guys, okay. That is one more thing. So as you're so learning code Java, so with respect to real-time terminologies and real-time examples also, okay. So we can easily cope up with any type of technologies, guys. Okay, you can learn easily any .NET, so Python, okay, Pega. So whatever technology is there, you can learn again easily cope up with any technology. Okay, why? Because whatever technology is there now trending in the market, everything like object oriented, guys. You know, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once after like Core Java, okay, while discussing Core Java, we'll get real-time examples, everything. By following that, we will do a real-time project with all these things. Okay. So what may be like? Right. All the things. Guys. Okay. So UI backend. Okay. So interaction layer like MVC flow. Okay. So everything we'll discuss, guys. Okay. Guys, getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you want to ask anything? So do you have any questions regarding subject wise? Are you expecting any change in my teaching?
No, sir.
Any suggestions? Any suggestions?
Kalyan sir,
Yes, sir.
students are hesitating to ask many because I've been dealing with students for a long time. I'll play a student role today.
Okay.
Shall we start with question and answers?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question number
Question
one.
answer. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, I'm a CSE student.
Okay.
I already have Java in my college.
Yeah.
So what is that the new thing that CV Corp will teach me as part of core Java classes?
So definitely I'm sure about what we learn is 100% different what industry expecting. Okay. So definitions like theory part, okay. Not only that, we are going to discussing like so many applications, examples like real-time scenarios, everything we will discuss. Okay. So definitely once after entering to some like CV Cup training sessions, you are going to understand okay what industry expecting, what we learn, and what you are learning something new. Yeah.
Because one guy was actually I asked him one person. So he
Yeah.
said, sir, I know all those concepts with examples. So will
Okay.
it be the same or something different? I told him you will be coming with all examples like father, mother, car, tire, tube kind of a thing. At CV Car, we will help you to do the Woods concept completely with a real-time
Yeah, yeah.
program and explain everything, all the Woods concept through a program example, not about car, tire, tube kind of a thing. That was
Just
one question.
simply guess if you remember from starting session onwards, what do you mean by software means? I mean everything. I mean like everyone expected like sort of set of programs, set of instructions to do application or task, right? But what I told is something different, right? I observing. I mean really I don't like to give definitions and theoretical part. Instead of this, I will give somewhat of I mean realistic or real time users, guys. That's all. I mean overall part will be there like this from end to end training. Okay. Still,
Okay, sir.
next question.
Next
Question
question.
number 1 done.
Okay, question
Next
number
question.
2.
Question number 2.
Okay, sir, can you close that, open that only Word document? I'm unable to see the screen.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, as per the Word document, I got a clear picture about the technologies that I learned in CV Core. So the second question is, CV sir told everyone that we will be helping you to do a live project also. So can you tell something
Yeah,
about the project?
yeah, guys. So simply, I'll give some small example. Yeah, guys. So if you think in real time, each and every application will be like this, guys. Let's say you can consider this in your language. Let's say software, database software. Simply DB. You can say like yeah. So simply like MVC flow, guys. So model view controller. So CSR ID, familiar with this name? I think so. So view pages, servicing, database, servers. Guys? So this view page we are going to design by with respect like HTML, CSS, so JavaScript like this. Okay. These controllers we are going to design. So it may be like Servlet, JSPs, Spring. Okay. So model. So here we have like DDO concept is there. Okay. Data transfer objects will be there. So how we are going to sending the data from client to server. Okay. And server to these things. We are going to validating. Okay. By sending the data, whatever sending you are sending from client to the servlet or JSP. That information is going to be stored in what, guys? Database. Okay, let's say you're going to make a request. Okay, from the client or view page, you want to get the records. Okay, of so and so, like you want to get the list of employees. Okay, of a company. Okay, so what you're going to make sending that table. That table name will send to database. Okay, in database is going to check that the table name is there or not. If the table name exists, the database is going to give the list of records which are existing in the table to what? Servlet.jsp. Again, through Servlet.jsp, I'm going to display all these records with respect to view page. Right? With respect to either JSPs or HTML or CSS or JavaScript. Yes, getting my point? So we're going to develop like this real-time scenarios examples. Okay. By using UI part, so database, different type of like service layer technologies. Okay, servers. Guys, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely bouncing. Getting at least something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just now, like your seniors batch are working on life insurance project. Okay, like every batch will do. So they will select one project. We will work upon it. Okay, live project. By using all these real-time tools, real-time technologies, like all these things. Yes, getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's the next question?
Right, I'm done here. I mean, I've been asking for you. You can also ask any questions if you have.
Third question, hat trick.
Guys, anyone has any question?
Don't hesitate, guys. So really, if I don't know, I will learn. Okay, I will learn it and I will deliver here. If I don't know, what you are going to ask? I'm still learner, guys. I'm still learner. I'm not perfect. I don't know about. I mean, remaining with respect to me and my knowledge, I'm still learner. I'm not a legend. Guys, you can tell me now. So I'm also like you only, no? I'm also learner. Yes. What's your question, guys?
It's okay, Kalyan. I guess like they don't have any questions, or we answered almost
Yeah.
everything for them.
Okay, okay.
Kalyan,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
do you want to just give them a brief about core Java, like how you explain C to Java, or we start from Monday?
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll start from guys.
Sir.
Getting bored?
Yes, sir.
I will start today only.
Sir, please give
No,
us
sir.
a glimpse. That because we don't know any other language also, like C also.
No, today will start or Monday.
Guys, do we continue the
Only a
class
lot of stuff is there in
from
our
the
mind.
in Java or
Like that is
Monday?
Sir, continue, sir, no problem.
okay. Okay, just I will give brief idea, guys. Okay. So how we are going to start? Okay. We'll start everything again from Monday onwards, from scratch. Okay. Just now I will give idea. What we are going to start, what I want to discuss. Okay. Simply like if you think about only core Java here, okay? If you think about only core Java, okay. So I'm not going to enter into core Java directly, guys. Okay. If you think about Java itself, okay. So I won't start Java directly, guys. Okay. You need to know definitely. So what do you mean by any programming language? What's the use of it? Okay. Simply introduction to programming. Introduction to programming. Okay. Any language. Okay. So most probably we'll go with C language. Okay. In C language. Okay. So what do you mean by functions? What do you mean by variables? Okay. What do you mean by data types? What do you mean by pointers? What do you mean by arrays? Okay. What is the use of data structures? Okay. So we'll see overall the uses of the concepts which are available in C language. Okay. Then we'll see what are the drawbacks available in C language. What are the advantages? Okay. Still the research of C language, what is going on. Okay. We'll see all these things. Okay. Then we'll slowly enter into like basics of or fundamentals of Java. Okay. Here also we'll see again different types of variables, different types of data types. Okay. We'll see the difference between C and Java first. Okay. Why only Java? Why not C? Why only C? Why not Java? We'll see all these conflicts. Okay. Okay. Then we'll see, starting fundamentals upon this few many examples. Then I will start slowly enter into which you are awaiting. Oops. Okay. So oops, I won't start easily, guys. Okay. We'll do so many examples on methods, how methods are going to work internally. What's the return type? What's the non-return type? Okay. What's the formal parameters, arguments, how the methods are going to work internally. We'll see all these examples. Then we'll slowly enter into oops. Okay. So with respect to, yeah, we'll see actually already definitions, theoretical part. We'll see real-time scenarios. We'll see examples. So I will give the tasks you're going to do. So we need to validate. Okay. We'll see all the concepts of oops. then we'll start like exception handling, multi-threading, right? String handling, collections framework, so files concept, network programming. Okay. So meanwhile, once after completion of core Java itself, we are going to start like so real-time project with all these advanced technologies like JDBC, how JDBC is going to interact with database through Java application, how you are going to interact with database. Okay. So we'll see different type of applications, examples with respect to JDBC, and then Servlet. How the Servlet is going to take the input from the HTML view page. Okay, how it is going to send it to server, from how you are going to send the server to database, how you are going to get the data from database to server, server to Servlet, Servlet to HTML. Okay, and then JSP, what are the drawbacks available in Servlets? So what are the necessary things we need to enter into JSPs? Okay, see, we'll see all these things, and we are going to combine. Okay, by utilizing this knowledge, we are going to do what? Real-time project. So, got the thing? What we will see in further and what we will see in future. At least got the idea, I guess, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, still any more questions? On Monday, I will start again from scratch onwards, guys. Okay, C language, structure, okay, basics, everything. We'll start with C. Why? Because so you know, and I know, both everyone familiar with C language only, right? That's why I will start with C, which is familiar for all. Okay, we'll see the drawbacks of C. Then we'll slowly enter into our favorite language. What?
Java.
Java.
That's good. That's my students. Yes. Yeah. Sir.
Yeah. Guys, one more thing, many people might have this thing when there are many languages in the market, why CV Corp is teaching or focusing only on Java. It's very simple. As a fresher, we have to learn a language which will give us an employment. Many people are learning Python these days. I really appreciate. Python cannot be the primary language for your job search. It will be definitely an additional added advantage to your profile. But Java will fetch you more opportunities. Out of 100 job options that we see in the market, 80% we see in core Java. Around 10% we can see in mostly into .NET side. Others are into JavaScript and Python side. But one thing is, anyone who learns Java from a very scratch level, they can learn any other programming language within 1 week. Like as Kalyan sir said, we had one example of people, one company approached us asking for .NET trained freshers. We had only Java trained. When we started comparing, there are only 5 syntax commands different between Java and .NET. Rest all is same to same. All the people, they prepared .NET just in hardly 1 week time. We got one company asking for Python people. People who learn Java, they picked up Python just hardly in 2 to 3 days because they know the entire thing. Logic is more important. Similarly for Android, similar for JavaScript also. The reason we focus more on core Java is it will fetch you more opportunities. At the same time, core Java, we don't just teach you how to learn Java here. We will be teaching you how to learn a language as well. So that when you join a company, the company might put you into Java side or anything else. But you will learn something more about how to learn a language also in CV Corp. That will be helpful for you. Kalyan sir, antena?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, chalo guys. I'll send out a message to all the people in Excel sheet with respect to all the details what we needed for the rest of the, for the further process. So please confirm you are joining by maximum tomorrow lunchtime, so that we will be adding you to the official Microsoft Teams, so that you don't need to have a link every day to log in. Your app will have already CV Corp name and the further login daily to log in into that. And then we'll be adding you to CV Corp mobile app as well, where all the recorded sessions will be available every day. So any discussions about fees, anything, date of joining, anything, you can talk to me today and tomorrow. Tomorrow by lunchtime, confirm the present so that we can take it forward. If someone is thinking I have examinations, I want to come after September 9th or 8th, whatever it is, you can communicate to me, guys. We can come to a common conclusion on the same thing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you, Kalyan. Thank you,
Yeah,
guys.
sir. Thank you all, guys. Thank
Yeah.
you all. Thank you all.
Happy weekend.
Yeah, guys.
Thank
Happy
you, sir.
weekend.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We'll proceed further on Monday, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See you all up.
Okay, sir. Bye.